At the heart of Advaita Vedanta lies the revolutionary idea of non-duality, or Advaita, which asserts that reality is fundamentally indivisible. According to Adi Shankaracharya, the apparent diversity in the world is a result of Maya, the cosmic illusion, which veils the ultimate truth of Brahman, the infinite and unchanging reality. The Chandogya Upanishad famously encapsulates this principle with the phrase Tat Tavam Asi, meaning you are that, emphasizing the unity of the individual self, or Atman, and Brahman. This unity means that all distinctions between self and other, subject and object, are mere appearances. Scientifically, this perspective finds echoes in the holographic principle, proposed by physicists like Leonard Susskind. This theory suggests that all information in our three-dimensional universe can be encoded on a two-dimensional surface, challenging the perception of separateness in space. Similarly, David Bohm's implicate order theory suggests a hidden, unified reality from which all phenomena arise, mirroring the Vedantic understanding of Brahman as the substratum of existence. By linking these ancient and modern ideas, we see how the principle of non-duality transcends philosophy and enters the realm of cutting-edge science. In Advaita Vedanta, the ego, or ahamkara, is the false sense of individuality that arises from ignorance, or avidya. This ego identifies with the body and mind, creating a sense of separation from the world and from Brahman. The true self, or Atman, is unchanging and infinite, but its true nature is obscured by the ego's attachments. Vedantic texts liken this to clouds hiding the sun. The sun is ever present, but its light is obscured. The Bhagavad Gita highlights this illusion, explaining that identifying with the ego leads to suffering and bondage. Modern neuroscience offers an intriguing parallel. The default mode network, or DMN, in the brain is responsible for self-referential thoughts and the construction of a personal identity. Studies show that meditation can deactivate the DMN, resulting in states of ego dissolution and a profound sense of unity with the environment. This aligns with Advaita's assertion that transcending the ego reveals the true self. By understanding the illusory nature of the ego, we can begin to dismantle the barriers to self-realization and unity. Advaita Vedanta asserts that consciousness is the only reality, and the material world is a projection of this consciousness. In the Mandukya Upanishad, consciousness is described in four states: waking, or Jagrat, dreaming, or Swapna, deep sleep, or Sushupti, and the transcendental state of pure awareness, or Turiya. Turiya is the substratum of all experiences, untouched by duality and change. This idea is echoed in the modern scientific theory of panpsychism, which posits that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, not merely a byproduct of brain activity. Researchers like Christoph Koch and Giulio Tononi have explored integrated information theory, or IIT, which attempts to quantify consciousness as an intrinsic aspect of reality. Furthermore, quantum physicist Henry Stapp suggests that consciousness plays an active role in the collapse of quantum possibilities into reality, challenging materialist paradigms. These theories resonate with Vedantic teachings, suggesting that consciousness is not just an emergent property, but the very foundation of existence. By understanding consciousness as fundamental, we align modern science with the ancient wisdom of Advaita. Advaita Vedanta describes the world as mithya, which means neither real nor unreal, a projection of Maya. This concept challenges our deeply ingrained perception of the world as a fixed, objective reality. Adi Shankaracharya's analogy of mistaking a rope for a snake illustrates how perceptions can create false realities. The world appears real because of Maya, but it is ultimately a transient manifestation of Brahman. Quantum mechanics provides a fascinating scientific parallel. The double-slit experiment demonstrates how observation collapses quantum possibilities into a definite state, suggesting that reality is not fixed but shaped by the observer. The Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics, championed by Niels Bohr, aligns with this view, emphasizing the inseparability of the observer and the observed. These findings resonate deeply with Vedantic philosophy, where consciousness is the ultimate observer shaping the world. By examining the interplay of Maya and quantum mechanics, we uncover profound insights into the nature of reality. The ultimate goal of Advaita Vedanta is liberation, known as moksha, achieved by transcending the illusions of Maya and realizing the unity of Atman and Brahman. This process involves practices like neti-neti, which means not this, a method of negating false identities to uncover the true self. The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad emphasizes that liberation comes not from rituals or external actions, but from self-knowledge, or jnana. Meditation and mindfulness play a crucial role in this journey, helping practitioners cultivate awareness and detach from ego-driven thoughts. Neuroscientific studies show that meditation alters brain activity, reducing activity in the default mode network and increasing connectivity in areas associated with attention and awareness. These changes correspond to experiences of unity and transcendence. By understanding and practicing the principles of Advaita, individuals can dissolve the illusion of duality and experience the bliss of non-dual awareness, where the self and the universe are one. Advaita Vedanta's concept of non-duality finds striking parallels in contemporary physics and philosophy. Philosophers like Spinoza and Heidegger have explored similar ideas, emphasizing the interconnectedness of existence. Spinoza's monism, which identifies God with nature, aligns with Vedanta's view of Brahman as the source of all. In physics, David Bohm's implicate order theory describes a unified reality from which all phenomena emerge, resonating with the Advaitic understanding of Brahman as the substratum of existence. Similarly, the pursuit of a unified field theory in physics aims to describe a single framework underlying all forces and particles, mirroring the non-dual nature of Brahman. The holographic principle also suggests that the apparent diversity of the universe is a projection of a deeper, unified reality. These contemporary insights bridge the gap between ancient philosophy and modern science, offering a comprehensive understanding of the universe's non-dual nature. By exploring these connections, we see how Advaita Vedanta remains profoundly relevant in today's quest for understanding reality.